We're Mark and Donna. For the past year, we have been living in a van as we travel across the United States. We set a goal to visit all 50 states and recently started a trip up the East Coast. After a quick trip into the Washington, D.C. area, where we spent some time catching up with some of our best friends, we were ready to get back into nature. So we said goodbye and headed up to the mountains of Shenandoah. We ended up making it into the park just as the sun was setting, which is where we pick up as we take you through a typical day of van life. Driving into Shenandoah on the way to our campsite. The drive has been just beautiful. Like, it's golden hour, the sun's setting, and we've seen probably at least 12 to 15 deer already. So tons of wildlife. Bella's having a blast. She's loving sticking her head out the window, looking at the sunset. I'm excited to get to our campsite though. It's been a long day, and really excited to start exploring more of the park.
Breakfast time, big stretch. She always gotta stretch it out. There we go.
Was that yummy? She's like, why y'all up so early? Let me sleep.
Who gets up this early to go walk? We do.
Gotta catch that sunrise.
Gotta see that sunrise. That's the best part. Sunrise and sunsets. Get them in. Should be mandatory.
My alarm went off at 4:30 this morning, and I literally laid in bed for like 10 minutes just contemplating, like, do I really want to get up today? But here we are. We're about to go hiking, go catch a sunrise. It didn't help I was up till like midnight finishing up a video and uploading it, but time to get going though. Here we go, Hawksbill Summit.
The deer.
What is that over on the side?
It looks like a ball.
You see it?
Yeah.
Ball of, is that a skunk? That's
Is it? It's a moving? Oh yeah,
that's
it's
a skunk.
moving. Oh, so much wildlife.
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling.
Come on, Bella. Let's go hiking. Come on. Come here. Bella, you gonna scare the bears off? All right, we're on the trail. It's a little after 6 a.m. Sunrise is at 6:45, so we're gonna try to make it to the top by then, hopefully. Definitely a good way to wake you up in the morning.
Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
This hike is supposedly rated as easy, but it's definitely not easy. I would say it's more moderate. I think just because it's not very long, maybe they put it easy, but it has been nothing but uphill the entire way. It's like 58 degrees out. I actually had to take my jacket off because I'm sweating because it's so uphill. I think we're getting close though. It's so pretty. Oh, so worth it. We're not even there yet though. We're 50 yards away from the peak. All right, let's finish it up.
Wow.
Ready, Bella? You want to see the view? Oh, look how pretty, Bella.
She said, sure is beautiful. I see why you woke me up at 4 in the morning, Dad.
Worth it, right?
Worth it.
All right, we're gonna relax, watch the sunrise, enjoy the fruits of our labor. Get her, Bella. Get her. Sun's finally coming out. It's so peaceful up here. There's nobody else here but us right now. You have amazing views. There's like 270-degree views all around. What do you think of the hike, Bella?
I loved it. We're moving, we're cold. Bye-bye.
All right, we just woke up from a nap and opened the door. And there's 4 deer just chilling right out here. What do you think, Bella? Come on. They're so unbothered. No. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. They're friendly. We are back from the hike. The hike was awesome. A little tiring, but a lot of fun. The weather, by the way, is absolutely perfect. It's sunny, blue skies, 65 degrees. I really want to go do some more hiking to take advantage of the good weather, but we do have some work to do as well. It can't be all fun and play. So we're gonna do some editing here at the campsite, and I think we're gonna get a little workout in as well. And then tonight we're gonna cook some dinner in our campfire. We do plan to do more hiking later this week. I don't know about tomorrow because right now the weather's not looking great for tomorrow. But if anything, the day after that, we're definitely gonna get some more hikes in and explore more of Shenandoah. And by the way, we're trying to start filming more daily behind the scenes, like just what it's like living in a van stuff. Whereas last year, all of our videos were just these really put together travel montages and travel guides. We're still gonna do those as well, but we also wanna show the real life, I guess, what it's like living in a van. So yeah, that's kind of what this video is. Hopefully you like it. If you don't, too bad, we're probably gonna keep doing it. But if you do like our regular travel montage guide videos, we are gonna continue to do those as well. So don't worry, we're just gonna kind of do both this year. Here's our campsite. See, it's really nice. They're pretty good size. They are paved, which is nice as well. There isn't a lot of shade, as you can see, which can be a good or a bad thing. Normally we do like shade. However, it's kind of nice here because there are no electric hookups. And so by not having shade, we are able to get a lot of solar power to keep our van charged. We did lay out our additional solar panels as well. Our van, we have 300 watts of solar on the roof. And then we have these portable ones, which gives us an additional 200 that we can lay out when we're at campsites like this, which is really nice because we got to keep our van charged so we can work. The other advantage of not having a bunch of trees above us is we can use the Starlink. We are loving the Starlink, by the way. It's been incredible. We only had it about 2 weeks. We did not have this last year in our first year of van life, and it was kind of difficult at times because we need internet to work, and a lot of the places we go, there's no cell signal, such as national parks, so it made it difficult. Last year we just used a mobile hotspot, which was connected to like Verizon's cellular system, which worked well as long as you have cell signal, but when you're in areas like national parks where there's 0 cell signal here, you had no internet. So now with this, we can work even out here in the middle of wilderness. Yeah, we're loving this so far. If you want a full review of the Starlink, let us know, maybe we'll do one. But so far it's been totally worth it and very useful. Oh, and by the way, we're talking about deer. Here's 2 more deer right across from us in the campsite.
Y'all, we're in a Bambi, real life Disney movie here. So adorable.
All right, time to work though. For those wondering what it's like to work inside a van, here is our work setup. We do have a little couch area here with this table that swivels around. This table is removable and we typically don't keep it in there just because we like to have the couch open to sit on, and Bella typically lays here as well. But when we work, we do put this table in. It swivels around, it's really nice. We did make this table, and something about knowing that you made it yourself and it came out really good. So this is where I typically work though. It's kind of small for 2 people. So Donna will work typically back here on the bed.
I'm working on editing this picture of us at Great Falls in Virginia. And Bella's wearing her cute glasses.
Aw.
But sometimes,
That's a great photo.
thank you. I also like to stand and have my computer on the bed to switch it up. But if I want to be more cozy, I'll sit on the bed. Although I hit my head a lot on here sometimes. But we have a lot more space than we used to. It's a bed, we used to sit higher, but after it got wet in Texas, we got a new bed, which is less thick.
Lower profile.
Lower profile.
Our old bed was like 8 inches tall, so it was like up to here.
And
then
our
we
head
were
was
sitting on top
always
of that.
hanged.
Yeah, and this one, it's not quite as comfy, but we purposely did that because we'd rather have more room, and it's still quite comfy. I'm happy with it. Best part though is right out here you have office with a view, and the view is always changing, which is really cool. And I must say the view is pretty nice today. All right, we just got done doing about 3 hours of editing, got some work done. We're gonna get a little workout in because it's about 4:30 p.m. now, and we wanna work out before it gets too dark, and then we can eat. Oh, there's more deer right over here too. Anyways, I'm gonna show you real quick kind of how we work out on the road, or at least how we work out while we're camping. Because we do have a gym membership as well, which we do a lot. But when we are out here in the wilderness, we still like to get our workouts in. So I'll kind of show you what we do. So we keep our workout gear in the back of the van. We have a big storage area underneath our bed, which is really nice. Got a lot of room for a lot of random crap. Right here though, we do have our yoga mats, which we're gonna get out and use inside this compartment. We have our adjustable dumbbells. I love these things. They go from, I think, 5 to 55 pounds each. They're quite heavy. Back here behind our toolbox, right in here, we have a Rubbermaid bin full of like bands and all sorts of different workout gear and accessories. So I'm gonna grab that out as well. So here is kind of our workout setup when we're at a campsite. We put our yoga mats out. Got our dumbbells over there, and then we got all of our resistance bands and everything else there. We do have our portable speakers to get some music going. Since we are on a campground, probably not gonna play those real loud, but sometimes when we're out like in the middle of nowhere in BLM land and we're all by ourselves, we can crank it up, which is nice. And yeah, there's Bella. She's gonna watch us, and she's gonna be our personal trainer today. Is that right, Bella? I think we're gonna hit some abs today. I'm not gonna go into like too much detail about exactly what we do in our workouts, and like this isn't gonna be a workout video. If you'd like to see more of that, let us know, comment below, maybe we'll make that. But yeah, we'll just show you just a real quick preview, kind of what it's like working out in campground. All right, workout is done. We're gonna get the campfire going and cook some food next, get a little dinner for tonight. We do have a kitchen in the van, but there's just something about cooking over a campfire that just makes it special. And I feel like the food tastes better. And it does save our power because we have an induction stovetop, which uses a lot of electricity. So yeah, let's get some food.
We're gonna have some burgers.
Let's get some food going. Is fed, fire's going. About to grab the burgers and throw those on. What you got going on in here?
So I'm making some guacamole to go on the burgers and a bean salad. I already chopped up the garlic, onion, and tomato. Next I'm gonna add the avocado. And over here I'm doing like a really easy bean salad. Corn, cannellini beans, and some garlic, onion, and tomato. Some olive oil and seasonings. Easy peasy, because we're living in a van here.
Sounds delicious. I'm excited. I'm gonna get the burgers going. Got some Beyond Burgers. Not the healthiest, but they are delicious. All right, burgers are on. We also got some beans cooking on there as well. Always gotta give the tongs a test click before you use them.
Right. We have the guac and the bean salad. Woo!
All right, let's eat. We realized we don't have burger buns, so we are doing tacos instead, which I'm pretty happy about. You never go wrong with tacos. Looks amazing.
Yes, it does.
Looks like something you buy at a restaurant.
I'm actually gonna add more. I like my tortilla tacos filled to the brim. Get all the flavors in there.
That's a taco. All right, we're back in from dinner. Dinner was delicious. We just took Bella for a walk and run around the loop to get a little energy out for her. And we are now gonna go shower. They do have showers here at this campground. Unfortunately, they're not free. It costs $5 for 10 minutes. And that's the only time frame. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna share a shower. That way we only have to pay the $5 and we each get 5 minutes. So save some money. Hopefully the showers are nice. We'll find out. Campground showers can be really hit or miss, but it's always nice to at least have them as an option. Let's go check them out.
Hey, you got water. Nice.
All right, we're back from the showers. Showers weren't bad, actually. They were nice and hot. And we just got dishes done. We're all packed up for the night. We're gonna get into bed, watch some Amazon Prime, I think. Oh, Fallout just came out tonight. So we're gonna watch Fallout. Looks pretty good. I used to like the video game. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Say goodnight, Bella. Oh, big stretch. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. We're still working on a voice for her. We haven't decided what we like yet. And again, we are on a quest to see all 50 states, so, well, only 24 to go. No, that's not right. What's 50 minus 28? Only like 22 more to go? I don't know. Math is not my strongest subject. Here next to us. I'm really proud of her.
Sorry, I have a hair in my mouth.
But we do have some work to do as well. It can't be all fun and no play. That doesn't make sense. It can't.